So this is what we're aiming to achieve. It's a custom fascia made for my Honda Odyssey RB1. This is what it looks like originally. It has a door compartment. This is where I mounted some useless piece of garbage GPS thing. Okay, we're going to fit this section there so a stereo can sit inside. Remove this bit. Use pry tools to take out the main unit. There's the main unit out. You have to unplug all of those wires. They're the air conditioning controls. It helps if you have two, so you can make this fascia while your wife is driving the car. Take out the compartment. The stereo wants to go in this section here, so that bit's in the way. Trim that out so the stereo can sit in there. We use a straight edge to work out where the stereo is going to be sitting at the back. We're going to cut this section here out. Test fit the stereo. Test fit the cover. Trim the cover to suit, because we really only want the plastic section. Make some mounting brackets. This is where the stereo is going to screw onto the fascia. Bend some aluminium plates. I used rivets here, but later on I replaced the rivets with some nuts and bolts. So screws are used to hold it in place because we don't want it to move at all. And these are reinforcing plates, so we can take the whole fascia out. There's the original. And we start plastic welding with some stainless steel mesh. Find some spare plastics lying around. Cut them up. And then insert the cut up plastics into any spare holes. Start taking the reinforcing off. More plastic welding. This is a hot air blower. It's used to melt the plastic as well. So we trim off any excess sharp bits so we can blend it in. We actually plastic welded it from both sides. This is a motorcycle tail section. Cut out some cardboard templates. Cut out the tail section to fit into that big gap there. We plastic weld that tail section in. Looks a bit rough at the moment. There it is from underneath, it's plastic welded from that side as well. Use the trimmer to take off the big chunky bits. This is a plastic primer now. This is so that the car filler will stick to the plastic. There's the car filler now, starting to fill up the big gaps. We sand that down and then start using a spray filler. You can see it's still got some lumps. So we use the spray filler and start filling in any deficiencies. And that's sanded down again. This is the color that we've made with silver paint mixed with some black. That's to match the car color. And this is it after it's had its gloss coating. That's a 2-pack coating. And that's the color of the door in the background. And that's the color we wanted to match, because it matches the buttons of the stereo or the air conditioning. We insert the stereo, and here it is. Thanks for watching.